Mark McClellan now, former FDA commissioner on the board of Johnson & Johnson. Doctor, thank you. As you just heard, Moderna is trying to get the FDA to allow it to put more of the vaccine in each vial. Thoughts on that?
Shepard, that's an indication that we need to not only think about the production of the vaccines to get as many people vaccinated as quickly as possible, but all the supplies that go along with it. And as Meg described, this fill and finish capacity, as it's called, is an area that can be a bottleneck. And that's one where the new administration and governments elsewhere in the world can potentially take further steps to help along the partnerships that you're seeing form. Many other manufacturers that aren't making the vaccines could potentially help, and the faster we can explore that capacity, the better.
Dr. McClellan, what are you going to say to this? I don't want Johnson & Johnson. I want Moderna or Pfizer because they were better in the trials. Why am I wrong?
Well, you did hear from Meg that and from Dr. Stoffels that the J&J vaccine was tested. We're fighting a different virus today than we were 3 months ago when previous trials were done. Shepard, unfortunately, we're probably going to be fighting a different virus 3 months from now. So most important in winning this battle is getting as many people vaccinated as possible. Now, over the next few weeks, there will be a lot more information coming out about the J&J vaccine as the FDA reviews its emergency use authorization application, as a lot of independent experts take a very close look at the data. That's going to help people make an informed choice. But most important right now, we need to get people vaccinated. We need to prevent those hospitalizations and deaths, and the J&J vaccine looks very effective in doing that. And then we need to be vigilant because the virus is going to keep mutating. The faster we get shots in arms, the more people we get vaccinated here in this country and around the world, the better we're going to do in containing that further spread and the further damage from COVID.
Unless there's misunderstanding, the moment I'm qualified, I'll take any shot you'll give me. And the one thing on this J&J shot is it's a lot more user-friendly. You don't need the freezers. There's not the storage issue. You can get it around. Will there be more distribution sites as a result? Could this be a bit of a breakthrough if it happens?
I hope so. It potentially makes it easier to get to more rural areas, more hard-to-reach areas. It helps reach populations that may be hard to track over time because it is just one dose, as you said. But, Shepard, this is the next challenge. Assuming all of the close review of the J&J data all pans out, we're going to have the capacity between Moderna, Pfizer, J&J to have enough vaccines available by June for the entire U.S. adult population. But in order to make that happen, people need to be informed about their vaccine options. And like you said, these are all three very good options, and people can look more closely. But we also have to get our capacity for doing vaccinations up closer to 3 million doses per day, perhaps.
Let's hope so. Dr. McClellan, thank you so much. Appreciate your time. Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.